That one dropped down pretty good. Other one buggered off. He came a bit wide. It's alright though. If they come in like that, I'm happy. Another one dropped down nice. Coming in nice now. When they're up in the sky high, they're spotting the decoys, and there's 3 barley fields here, and I'm hoping I'll get them to come into this one. It's always difficult because there's laid barley in all 3 fields, but hopefully this is I watched this field yesterday, and this was the favourite field. 150, 200 birds here yesterday, so I know they're in the area. Just hope they come back and see me today. Get out. Good lad. Go back. Loss. Good boy. Good lad. Good boy. Good boy. Dead. Came in nice, bit awkward. Saw me and then flipped off, but wasn't quick enough. Hit one and miss one. Damn thing jinked right at the wrong time, but as you know, anybody who goes pigeon shooting knows that's what the buggers do. Nice pair. Good lad. Good boy. Good lad. Dead. That was a bonus. Canada goose. Wow. Came from nowhere. Good shot as well. This will be interesting, Stormy. Let's go and see if we can find this boy. Get out. Get out. Get out. Long way away. Get out. Get out. Get out. Where is he? Get out. Crikey, it must have been all of 70 yard. Where is he? There he is. Good boy. Good boy. Good lad. Bring it on. Storm's first goose of the year. Good boy. Nearly as big as you, Stormy. Good lad. Bring him here. Good boy. First Canada. $70 shot, I think. Oh well. Never know what's going to happen when you're on the pigeons. Beauty. Decoying nicely. Bang. Nice shot. Goose followed by a pigeon. Right, can't be bad. Yep. Nice kill. Started to come back in the field now. Come on, Mr. Jago. Gary Digweed hits again. Boy. Nice retrieve. Good lad. Good boy. Dead. Down with the goose. Two more for the pot. Back. Go back. 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 Good lad. Steady. Good lad. Good boy. Tricky one for you now, Stormy. Get out. Get up. Back. Go back. Go back. Get out. Good lad. Where is he? Good boy. Good lad. Nice retrieve, mate. Good boy. Dead. Queen nice. Get out. Get out. Back. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Steady. Good boy. Good lad. Good boy. Good lad. Dead. Yeah, they are now. That. The second one's going to decoy. There he is, Pat. He's yours, boy. Good shot, Matt. Good lad. Good boy. Good lad. There's two coming, Pat, right? Yeah, there's two coming down. They're going to decoy as well. Here they come down now. Definitely decoying that. You take the back one. Right. Now. Perfect decoying that. Lovely shot. Mr. George Digweed Jago. Here, here. Good boy. Dead. Another one coming. Dead. Aye, lovely. Good chap. Sit, mate. Good boy. Good boy. Dead. Good boy. Three birds down. Don't know whether you could see that. A lot of birds there together. I think that's my 5th triple today.